In our earlier videos, we saw how to calculate CI, but in this video, we will see what happens if the calculation term, in the interest calculation term, is not annual. The interest is calculated maybe semi-annually or after 3 months, after every 1 month. What happens in such cases? So let's write down the formula which we learned. A is amount, P is principal, R is rate of interest, and N is term. Now we have seen that the rate of interest is generally given in per annum and the interest is calculated annually. But if does not happen, let's say we'll take an example. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 1 year on 1,800 at 8% annum compounded quarterly. So amount has to be paid after 1 year, but rate is 8% per annum, but the compounding is done quarterly every 3 months. So which means the compounding is done 4 times. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 12 months, 4 times. So what should be the rate? In such case, the rate becomes the given rate, which is 8% divided by 4, because we are compounding quarterly. So we have to find what is the rate for 1 quarter, not for 1 year. The rate is given as per annum. 1 year, we have to divide that into 1 quarter. And so the new rate becomes 2%. And what is N? N is not 1 here, but N becomes N multiplied by 4. Because in 1 year, there are 4 quarters. And so N becomes 4. And now if I use the formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. The same formula can be used. And this way we can easily calculate this. So this becomes these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros are gone. And then if we calculate this, so what we have learned here is, in case we have to compound the interest at a period other than annually, what we need to do is we need to change the N and we need to change the R. How? We need to see that quarterly, if this is quarterly, then it is 4 times in a 1 year. So then we need to change N multiply by 4 and reduce the rate by 4 times. So divide it by 4. Okay, let's do one more and understand it better. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 1.5 years on rupees 2,400 at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Let's write the givens. Now we are talking about rate, percentage rate. Rate here given is 10% per annum, but we are compounding half yearly. So we need to know rate for half year, not for 1 year. So rate for half year would be 10% divided by 2. That would be 5%. And we want to find amount at 1.5 years. So N should be 1.5 divided by how much? Divided by half. Because how many terms? Half yearly terms. So it has to be divided by half. So there would be total 3 terms. N is going to be 3. So now we'll use the formula. Replace the values. 1 plus 1 upon 20. 5 ones are 1. 5 20s are 100. Cube means we multiply it 3 times. Now this 0 gone, this 0 gone, these 2 zeros gone. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 24. 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are. So what we get is 2 into 21 into 21 into 21 upon 10, and that is equal to, and that's equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27. 2718.3, and therefore please remember how do we do it. For rate, what we did is the rate was given as per annum, but we are compounding at half yearly. So we needed to know the rate for half year, not for 1 year, but half year. So we divided by 2 and we got 5% as the rate. Now n, it's given 1.5 years, but we are compounding at half year. So we'll divide by half, and that gives us n equal to 3.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.